set up your bike and the oil drains here. And the thing that you're going to need in order to change the oil is you're going to, for the Storm, x-prostorm 125, you're going to need the oil dump thing, or you can use the pan that it comes with. You got safety goggles, chain lube, 17mm wrench, gloves, 10 W40 and oil, and chain lube. Next step is you're going to get your bike up onto the stand, and then you're going to get the oil draining pan under the stand. That's what we like to do. And then you are going to get some blue towels since it is going to leak a lot, and you're going to want to get the piece cleaned up a little bit. So then you want to take it out carefully. Then once you get it loose, you're going to be very careful and you're going to slowly take it off. Then the motor oil is going to slowly come out. Just like that. On X-Pro 125cc dirt bike, the crush washer is a 12 by 20 by 2. And you're going to put it back on. And you're going to screw it back in. Once you get the bolt and hand tight, take the wrench and just do it a little bit. You don't want to overdo it because next time you ride it might be, and next time you need to give it an oil change, it might be hard to get out. Just go like that a couple times, and then you're good. Okay, so the next step, changing the oil, is you're gonna need to get it into your drain plug, which is right here, and you're gonna unscrew it. And this is also how you check your oil. One thing I forgot to mention was the funnel. The funnel is gonna make it super easy. Just stick it in, and then you need 800 milliliters of it, which is all the way to here, or 800 would be to about here-ish, and then you're gonna pour it in. Okay, so next is you are gonna take it down to 200, and you're gonna carefully pour it in. I'm about to 200, and then is what you're gonna do is the next is you're gonna check your oil. Next, you're gonna take your dipstick and you are going to wipe around it first, just to make sure that there's no dirt or oil. Then you're gonna put it in and turn it. Let it sit there for a second. And then you're going to pull it back out. And it shows that we are good. Okay, so first thing to put on the chain lube onto your chain is you're going to shake it. And then you are going to be very careful and you're going to spray it. And then you're going to turn it at the same time you spray. And get it all, and these things take a lot, so you have to turn them. And I look good right here. It looks like it's all been sprayed down. This is the This is the basic maintenance of the X-Pro 125cc oil change. Thanks for watching another video of Running Adventures. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.